In this video, we will be reviewing the primary dentition, also known as the pediatric dentition. This dentition consists of 20 total teeth. Here, we divide the dentition into 4 different quadrants. We have the upper right, the upper left, the lower left, and the lower right quadrants. Each quadrant contains 5 teeth. From a mesial direction, or towards the midline, to a distal direction, or away from the midline, we have the central incisor, the lateral incisor, the canine, and 2 molars, the first molar and the second molar. Now, we will be reviewing the rules of the universal tooth numbering system using a diagram of primary dentition. The universal numbering system is sequential from letter A to letter T, beginning from the patient's upper right side, going all the way across to the patient's upper left side, coming down the patient's lower left side, and going all the way across to the patient's lower right side. The upper arch contains the letters A through J, while the lower arch contains the letters K through T. For example, the upper left canine, as pointed by the laser, is the 8th tooth from the upper right second molar, where we begin. The 8th tooth corresponds to the 8th letter in the alphabet, letter H. Counting the teeth, we have universal tooth A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. The upper left canine is universal tooth H. Next, we will be reviewing the rules of the International Tooth Numbering System using the same diagram. The International Tooth Numbering System utilizes 2 digits. The first digit corresponds to the quadrant. The upper right quadrant corresponds to the digit 5, the upper left 6, the lower left 7, and the lower right 8. The second digit corresponds to the particular tooth within each quadrant. From a mesial to a distal direction, therefore, the central incisor corresponds to digit 1, the lateral incisor 2, the canine 3, the first molar 4, and the second molar 5. For example, the upper left canine, which is pointed at with the laser, is in the upper left quadrant corresponding to the number 6 and is the 3rd tooth from a mesial direction corresponding to the number 3. Therefore, the upper left canine is designated International Tooth Number 63.